Okay, using the iPhone today, but today's job is going to be, there's a couple of bushings in here, a couple of O-rings, and there's a plastic washer right here. I got to take all this apart. I got to replace all of that in the tube. Let me see. You can see how sloppy that is. So I got to disconnect this, rotate it. Boom. In the manual, it says the primary housing itself needed to come up, but I think it's referring to the mid-frame Heritage shift lever. You know, this one's a forward, and so I'm thinking I can disconnect this, roll it forward, drive it out, and she'll be fine. I'll get back to you later as I get further. Because of grooves through the shaft to lock this shift lever in place, the screw must be fully removed on this one and this one. So keep going. Okay, so you can see it. There's that groove I was telling you about. The screw, when it goes through there, it goes through like this here, you know, so that the lever cannot move even with the screw in place. Should just, okay, shift levers are off. Now I take a 1/2 inch wrench, take this acorn knot off to disengage this bar, the shift lever. Okay, get back to you. That's 1/2 inch wrench. That's 1/2 inch wrench on the acorn nut, 7/16 wrench on the nut back here, jam nut back there. Okay, there's the acorn nut and a washer on here. Now you pull that out. Now I'm going to take this lever, slip it over here, you see, and there you go. Comes right out. Let's see what kind of shape this is in. Come on, camera. Oh, it's not horrible. Not bad. I was worried that it'd be worn, but no, it's fine. Be a good chance to clean it up though. Okay, I ordered this tool for Jim's number 1658. You know, it says it's for transmission, but it also says it's for getting these bushings out. So we'll see. I'll keep you informed. Yeah, it knocked them both right out of it. Pretty simple. Okay, let's go on. Okay, this is the other part of the Jim's tools. These are the 2 new bushings, and then a nut back here. Now I turn this screw, and this is going to squeeze these 2 together, pushing these into this housing. I'll show you when it's done. I'm on my phone, so I can't video it all at the same time. Now, I just learned I cannot put both of these in at the same time with this tool. They want to rock, or the outer one wants to rock and so on, because it doesn't pull it in straight. And it started, as you can see there, it started nicking it. So I took that one off, put one on, and had to play with it to get it to go in straight, but it went there. Just screw this in until it seats. Now I got to knock it in a little bit so I can get this one started. I'll get back to you. Okay, shit, that didn't work. Instead of pushing it in, it crushed it. I got to figure this out. Okay, that worked better. I flipped the tool around and used this here to help keep the bushing square in the cylinder. That went in a lot better. I'm going to have to, due to necessity, I'll have to reuse One of the old ones. No choice. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, realized what I did wrong. I should have had a bushing on this end and a bushing on this end rather than to stack them two against this side and try to push them all the way through. Should have had one here, and then just squeezed it together. My bad. Okay, they don't talk about doing this, but I got a little bit of grease here. I'm gonna put it thin film on the shaft here. Then I'm gonna put some on the O-rings, and it's certainly not gonna hurt it. Get back to you. Okay, got her back in. I used, in place of the one I destroyed, I used the better of the two used ones. Got the new one back here, old one up here. But she seems, there's no play in there at all. So, fingers crossed. Okay, here she's back together. I think, they got I don't understand. They got a bushing here, plastic bushing between here and here, but none back here. I don't understand that. At some point, I may take these apart and put a washer back here, because she's still got a little bit of play out here. Or you can see the whole thing is moving. But I think if there's a washer there, that would, like they've got up here, that would stop it. But it's not anywhere near, not as near as bad as it was. I don't know why it's wobbling. I've got, yeah, I think I need a bronze washing or something back there. Well, okay, she's back together. She's not as bad as she was. But anyway, I can't get these any tighter that way because of the grooves that are set in the shaft, as I talked about earlier. So it is what it is, until I can put something back here. Okay, end of lesson. I don't know what number. Talk to you later. Yeah, I don't know what lesson this is, but another job done. This here is I'm working on my 2015 Heritage Softail Classic. I've changed the oil in the engine, transmission, and primary. New oil filter. Then changed out this bushing, as I shown. If you like this video, subscribe, like, comment if you want to. But here we go. All right, this is my Heritage Softail. Got the 103B engine, and it has a stage 2 in it. She's fast, but I hate these saddlebags and tour pack. I'll get into that on another day. But thank y'all.